In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Reddit. If you spend a lot of time browsing posts at night or you just prefer a darker interface, switching Reddit to dark mode can make the experience easier on your eyes and can even help conserve battery on devices with OLED screens. It only takes a moment, and once you set it, Reddit will remember your preference whenever you're signed in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to reddit.com. Make sure you're logged into your Reddit account so the change is saved to your profile. You'll know you're signed in if you can see your avatar or profile icon in the top right corner of the page. If you aren't signed in, click Login In and enter your credentials, then return to the homepage. Next, click your profile icon in the top right. This is the small circular image or placeholder that represents your account. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you'll find your account options and site settings. From that drop-down, look for display mode. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the bottom of the menu or alongside other appearance options. Sometimes you'll see a small moon or sun icon next to it to indicate theme controls. Click display mode to open the theme choices. Now select dark to enable dark mode. As soon as you choose dark, the background will switch to a deep charcoal or black, and text will flip to lighter colors. Posts, comments, and navigation elements will all update immediately, so you can preview exactly how it looks without leaving the page. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same menu and switch back to light. Some versions of the menu also include an auto option, which follows your device's system theme. But for now, selecting dark will lock Reddit into the darker look across pages. A couple of quick tips to make this stick. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a second to refresh or click into a post to confirm the new theme is active. Because you're signed in, your dark mode preference will carry over the next time you open Reddit in the same browser, and typically on other browsers where you're logged into the same account. That's it. Go to reddit.com and log in, click your profile icon, open display mode and choose dark. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience, especially in low light, and happy scrolling.